Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about control flow in JavaScript. Control flow helps us decide how and when our code runs. Let's begin. Control flow means controlling the order in which our code runs. Sometimes we want code to run only when a condition is true. Sometimes we want code to repeat again and again. For this, JavaScript provides conditional statements and loops. Let's start with the if statement. The if statement runs code only if the condition is true. Here, if age is greater than or equal to 18, then the message is printed. Now we add else. If the condition is true, then the first block runs. If it is false, then the else block runs. Only one block runs at a time. We use else if when we have multiple conditions. JavaScript checks each condition from top to bottom. The switch statement is used when we have fixed values. The break keyword stops the switch from checking more cases. Loops are used to repeat code. The for loop is used when we know how many times the code should run. The while loop runs as long as the condition is true. Always remember to increase the value to avoid infinite loop. The do while loop runs at least one time even if the condition is false. The break statement is used to stop a loop completely. Here the loop stops when I becomes 3. The continue statement skips the current iteration. Here number 3 is skipped, but the loop continues. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. Control flow helps us control how our code runs. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn about functions in JavaScript. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.